Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, March 24th, 2023. It is 3:10 and 17 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, Progestogen. So let's jump to it here. The study finds similar association of progestogen only in combined hormonal contraceptives with breast cancer risk. An analysis of almost 10,000 women with breast cancer under the age of 50 found a similar association regardless of the type of hormonal contraceptive. Date March 22nd, 2023. Source: PLOS. There is a relative increase of 20% to 30% in breast cancer risk associated with both combined and progesterone-only contraceptives, whatever the mode of delivery, though with the 5 years of use. The 15-year absolute excess incidence is at most 265 cases per 100,000 users, according to a new study. Use of combined oral contraceptives containing both estrogen and progesterone has previously been associated with a small increase in breast cancer risk, but there is limited data about the effect of progesterone-only hormonal contraceptives. However, the use of progesterone-only contraceptives has increased substantially in recent years, with almost as many prescriptions in England for oral progesterone-only contraceptives as for combined oral contraceptives in 2020. In the new study, researchers analyzed data from a UK primary care database on 9,498 women under the age of 50 with invasive breast cancer diagnosed in 1996, 2017, as well as data on 18,171 closely matched controls. On average, 44% of women with breast cancer and 39% of matched controls had a hormonal contraceptive prescription, with about half the prescriptions being progesterone-only preparations. With 5 years use of either oral combined or progesterone-only contraceptives, the associated 15-year absolute excess incidence of breast cancer was estimated at 8 cases per 100,000 hormonal contraceptive users at age 16 to 20 years, and 265 cases per 100,000 users at age 35 to 39 years. The odds of breast cancer were similarly and significantly raised, regardless of whether the contraceptive used was a combined estrogen and progesterone oral preparation. As these findings suggest that current or recent use of all types of progesterone-only contraceptives is associated with a slight increase in breast cancer risk, similar to that associated with the use of combined oral contraceptives. Given that the underlying risk of breast cancer increases with advancing age, the absolute excess risk associated with the use of either type of oral contraceptive will be similar in women who use it at younger rather than at older ages. As these excess risks must, however, be viewed in the context of the well-established benefits of contraceptive use in women's reproductive years. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.